Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're talking about lips. All about lips today. Gonna give you guys some tips and tricks, some favorite products I like to do, and most importantly, how to make your lips look bigger, fuller. Looks like you just got some fake lip injections, you know, but you really didn't. It's just the power of makeup, power of lip liner, lipstick, liquid lipstick, matte lipstick, whatever you do. I'm gonna show you guys. I have some nude lipsticks in front of me and I have a darker one to kind of go along with the fall vibe that's happening nowadays here in good old Washington. I always save lips for last. Obviously, you don't know why you would do it before any other application on your face. But before, I would literally just grab my foundation brush, beauty blender, pat my foundation on my lips and call it good. I hated any color, anything that was on my lips. Like right now I have some chapstick on to hydrate them, and even right now I would wipe it off because there's some sort of color on my lips. So I've come a long ways from before where I would literally have nothing on my lips, not even chapstick, nothing. So we're gonna start off with a nude lip just because this is my most casual kind of lip. This is the colors I wear when I do my makeup, just because I love a good nude. Love a good nude lip, and I'm gonna show you guys how I make my lips look bigger with this. We are gonna go ahead and start off with this MAC lip liner, and this is in the color Oak. This is my favorite lip liner, I would say. It's like the most perfect nude color where it's not too pink, but it's not too dark of a nude. It's like right in between that perfect nude, if you know what I mean. So gonna go ahead and start with the lip liner. So when it comes to outlining your lips, if you are wanting a more plump lip, this is how you're gonna get it. So I just take the lip liner and I follow on the outer corners right here. I'm just gonna follow my lip line. You do not listen, you do not want to overdraw your lips out on the outer corner, because that is where it is most noticeable. That is the number one thing that I see girls doing wrong. When they want to overdraw their lips, they start overdrawing down here, and then it's just like one big leg. So I'm just following my lip line here. Really do really light strokes, because that's going to give you that good clean crisp line. Do not rush it. You just need to have patience with doing this. Alrighty, so now that the outer corner is already filled in, I'm gonna show you how to overdraw. This is the fun part. So as we get to the top, you're gonna go ahead and just lay your pencil and start making small strokes. And this is where you can overdraw a little bit. If you just lay your pencil on your lip where it goes, just slowly go on top of where your Cupid's bow is, or like where your natural lip line is. I have a pretty sunken lip line where it's easy to achieve this, where I can draw a little bit over it, but there are girls out there or people out there that do have that really crisp top line where it's super noticeable when you overdraw or do anything with that. So if you do have that problem, just very lightly go over that, and you can tiny bit go over it, but don't go over beyond with overlining your lip. Just laying the pencil on my side so I can see where I'm drawing the line, and just doing small strokes, and I'm just gonna slowly start working that upwards. So I start going up and overdrawing my lip right, starting about right here. Slowly just bring that up. I'm still following my natural lip line. I'm not creating a different Cupid's bow or creating a different top of the lip. I'm following my lip line. I'm just going a little bit above where my lip line is. Alright, so that is how I do the top line. You can barely tell I overdrew my lips at all. I just made them look a little bit more fuller at the top by going right on top of where my lip line is. So there you go. Now we're gonna do the bottom. The bottom, this is the fun part, because this is where you could really overdraw because you can't see it. For the bottom, the only place you're going to be overdrawing your lip is right in the center right here. And the reason is because you have a natural pouty lip. Everyone should, I feel. Naturally just kind of falls down, where you have a shadow right here, where your lip kind of hangs. So right where your chin meets and where your lip starts, you have a little divot right there where go on, draw as much bottom lip as you want. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm just gonna follow the lip down. So this is the first line I drew. So you could stop here if this is a little bit too much for you. This is good. I'm going all out. I'm gonna show you guys. So now we're like literally gonna be like almost drawing on your chin, but not, we're literally like down here, but you'll see what I mean. Do you guys see? I'm gonna kind of show you guys. So I drew right there, which is my chin, but when you are normal, you can't even tell. Can't even tell. Boom. Lip tips with Liss. There you go. Alrighty, so that's all I do for lip liner with overdrawing. As you guys can tell, like, come on. Can't even tell. So from this step forward, this is kind of where you can go on with another nude lipstick. Going with a lipstick, a matte lipstick, liquid lipstick, a gloss, kind of whatever you guys want to do. I'm going to show you two different ones. One is a lipstick. So I'm gonna take this ColourPop liquid lipstick in Magic Wand, just one of my favorite nude liquid lipsticks, and it goes on so like velvety, and it doesn't crease, doesn't dry your lips out. It is just a perfect like velvet lipstick. I'm gonna take the applicator of this and put this on my whole lip just to kind of blend it all together. If you are not comfortable with using an applicator, lipstick brush is your best friend, because that's going to help you get that defined lines and kind of blend the whole thing together. So that is that lipstick. Just, oh, I love this. If you guys have not heard of ColourPop or tried any of their lipsticks, go, because they have the best lipsticks ever. So affordable, so good. They're liquid lipsticks. Right, so on top of that, I'm going to go in with that Dose of Colors lipstick, and I'm going to show you guys how to use this with the point and kind of help you get the right areas. So I'm going to lay this right in the cupid's bow. The point is made to go in the cupid's bow, and I'm just going to pop this color right in the center of the lip because it is a lighter nude. So another tip of how to get that really like lip is to add darker color right in the outer corner, go in with a nude color, and then go in with a lighter nude or a pink right in the center to get that gradient ombre effect, and that's going to give you some dimension in your lips. So this is the Dose of Colors lipstick in Aftermath. And the point of this lipstick is made for you to get right in the cupid's bow, get in the hard areas. That's why the shape of the lipstick is the shape it is. Get in those areas, you know? So this is the nude lip for you guys. I hope that made some sort of sense on how to use nude to make your lips look bigger. But I mean, like, come on. My lips definitely do look more plumper. You gotta agree with me on that, right? Right? Right, so now we're gonna go in with a darker look just to kind of give you guys some fall inspo, and just to show you guys how to get a really good crisp clean line with dark lipstick, because that itself is hard. So I'm going to show you guys using a cranberry maroon lip color. Here, perfect time for you guys to get a before of my lips, you know? Not big, they're not big at all, they're just some thin lips. So again, with the same tips I gave you with the nude pencil, just follow the outline on the outer part of your lips. When using a dark color like this, go slow. It is so important. Just take your time. Make small little strokes. Get those perfect lines. No need to rush if you're wanting to achieve a good, clean, dark lip. So we are going to go in with the MAC lip liner in Vino, and it's just a really pretty dark purpley maroon lip liner that is perfect for the lipstick I'm applying on top of it today. And then as I go on, I'm just filling the rest of my lip with that lip liner. So when it comes to using a dark color, I just like filling out my whole lip with it. I don't do the sections just because since it is such a dark color where you can see any line, I'm just going to fill in the whole lip and then go back in to overdraw a little bit. So again, just guiding the pencil along my lip line. And then for the color to go on top of this, I am taking this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Budapest. There's just a really pretty, creamy lip color that just goes so smooth on your lip and does not leave your lips feel any sort of matte at all. It feels like I'm putting like butter on my lip. Like it's like a buttery texture almost. I love this color for fall time because it's just like the most perfect color purple that can go with any eye look, anything. It will look so good. And as you can tell, my lips do look more fuller with this since it is such a bold color. That definitely helps making them look more full. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I'll give you that fall lip, and I really hope this video helped you guys at all if you had any questions on anything lip related, and I hoped you guys got something out of this when it came to learning how to overdraw your lips good and make your lips look more plump, and to share with you guys just some of my favorite products. So like this video if it helped you and if you just liked it, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And that's all I have for you guys today. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!